welcome to my video. My name is Harshal and this is Web Technology Lab experiment number 5, integrating dynamic action using JavaScript. So in this experiment, we will see how to integrate the JavaScript program into the web page, and we will perform the question that are given is in this experiment, and we will see the output of this experiment. So let's begin this video. So what is a JavaScript? JavaScript is a dynamic programming language that is used to develop a web page, and the web page structure that is basically based on the HTML that is for the structure of a web page, CSS that is used for the styling, and JavaScript that is for making interaction with the user. So the JavaScript is used in all websites. As you see, when the we use websites, so we will get the output based on our queries. So this is done by the JavaScript. So the three questions there are in this experiment, that is a JavaScript program to perform basic mathematical operations, add, subtract, multiply, and divide of for the two numbers. Second is a BMI calculation, and third is we have to develop a currency converter. So we will see the programs and we will see the JavaScript code, the script which we get we, which we get the output for this. So this is the code for the HTML and this is the JavaScript. So first we have to make a simple calculator. For that we need to input. So this is the first input, that is T1. This is the second input, I gave it T2. And there are the four buttons we have to do, that is add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And we have to get the output. For this I have taken another input, but that is read only. So it will take only the output of the code, and it will print inside the text box, and this is the clear button. And for performing the JavaScript operation, we need to call the function so that we will get the output. Here is the on click function that we use to fetch the JavaScript function to in this HTML code. So on click this will add, on click it will subtract, on click it will multiply, and on click it will divide. So this is the functions that are for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So this is the in JavaScript we use var, that is for the variable percent. So the text it will convert that into the integer, and document dot get element by ID. So this ID is of the input that we have given here. It will take the ID value, and it will perform operation, and it will print the output of the ID based on the perform the question we are doing. So for addition, it will take the two numbers, that is we have two numbers A and B, and C will give us the output, that is A plus B. So if I give here if I give here a number such as 5, and here is 5, when I add this it will get 10. So how it's getting 10? This is A plus B. When I add this, I will get output as 10. Again, the same input will be there, just we have to minus, subtract the output. So 5 minus 5, when we subtract it will show here 0. Next, that is we have to multiply, just put the sign of multiplication here. When we try to multiply, it will give 5 into 5, that is 25. After this, when we try to do the division operation, just we have to divide the input, and here when after dividing it will give us 1. And this is the clear button. When we click here for clear, it will clear the page. So this is getting new. Again we can perform the operation here. So this is for the first question, that is addition, simple calculator. Next we have to calculate the BMI. For that calculating BMI, we will need the weight and height of the user, and based on that we will perform the operation. If the weight is greater than 18, it is underweight. Normal, that is 18 to 25. Overweight, that is from 25 to 30, and obese, that is great. This is greater than sorry, less than 30. So this is we have to get we have to perform the operation. First, we will take the weight input from the user, that is in kg, and height, that is in centimeter, and one button we will take, that is to calculate the BMI, and in this article it will show the output and category. So this is the function for the BMI. We will take this input with having ID T4 and T5. So this is having T4 and T5, that is for doing this value we divide by 100, so it will do that in height, and the formula, that is this BMI is equal to weight divided by height into square. So this square it will be there, height into height. So height square, that is height into height. This will show the output for the BMI category, and this will take the it will show the output for this, that is underweight, healthy weight, overweight, obese, class 1 2. If the weight, this is the condition, if the B means BMI, that is greater than 18.5, it will show underweight. Else if this not belong, else if B is greater than is equal to it 18.5, and it is less than is equal to 25, it will show healthy weight. Similarly, B is greater than 25, and P is less than is equal to 30, it will show overweight. B is greater than 30, B is less than is equal to 35, obese, class 1. uh, B is greater than 35, and B is less than is equal to 40, it will show obese is class 2, and else obese is class 3. So it will show the output based on the input from the user. So we will give inputs such as 65 and 67 and 165. So it will show this is the healthy weight. If I give as 80, it will show overweight, because the formula is based on this. So it will show overweight. If I give here 170, it will show overweight. If I give here again 60, it will show healthy weight. So this is how it's calculating. If I give here 90 and weight as height is 120, it will show obese class 3. So like this it calculates. Next we will move to the third, that is currency converter. We have to take input such as from currency to currency. So we will need amount. We have to convert, that is from to, and it will change the currency and it will show the output. For the currency, this is the function, the amount which you are going to take from the text box. From this is the drop down. We will take from to, and result it will print that in the text box. So from is equal to, if from is equal to USD means this is USD, and it is INR. So it will print the amount that is multiplied by 74 into 84. 74.84, so it will show the USD to INR, it will show 74.84. Else if from INR to USD it will do, it will multiply dollar into 0.013. So it will show the output from to is same, it will show the means from India to India, it will show the same, or from to USD, it will show the dollar. From to it is USD, it will show, and from and then from is equal to INR, it will show the rupees. So if I give here one, when we calculate it will show the this this part. First part it is done. Next, if I give INR to INR, it will show 1. Means INR to INR, it will show 1. Again, USD to USD, it will show $1. So if it's from 2 is equal to and it is USD, so it will show the output. And from INR to USD, it will show this. So this condition it is done for the currency conversion. So this was experiment number 5 of Web Technology Lab. Thanks for watching my video.